Hi, this evening I'm going to do a video to test a 4th of July firework fountain called Pyrofire. It's made by TNT. It's pretty inexpensive, and so let's check it out and see how it performs, what it looks like for your 4th of July holiday celebrations. Let me just move the camera back here. I want to make sure we get a good display shot of the firework activity. Tilt the camera just a little bit. There we go. Okay, that was Pyrofire by TNT. Let me get the camera resituated here. Alright, well, I think that was a pretty decent fireworks display. The Pyrofire is very lightweight compared to others when you hold it, but the display was pretty awesome, I thought. I mean, it wasn't very loud, but it did have a lot of effects, and so I would say it's pretty cool. Let me know what you think about it on the comments below, and look for it in your local fireworks shop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.